Students, this is class number 142. Let us continue that in the class studio. So the last part, some part of the problem has been cut. I continue that. So that is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 sin square x dx. So right, solve. Let us x evaluate. Fx equals sin square x. You decide, is it even function or odd function? Even function. Even is even function. Since it is even function, minus a to a can be written as twice 0 to a. Even function ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ minus a to a ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು twice 0 to a. odd function ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 0. ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 0, ಇವನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ 0 to a. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 sin square x dx. Since fx is, this is fx is even function, minus a to a can be written as twice 0 to a. 0 to pi by 4 sin square x into dx. In integration, if it is sin square x, we have a formula. In integration, for sin square x, you always use this formula. Sin square x ke ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. sin square x 1 minus cos 2x by 2, cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So tan square x secant square x minus 1, cot square x is equal to cosecant square x minus 1, right? So in integration, whenever these things are seen, whenever you see these things, you must have to use only these formulas. ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, 2 into 0 to pi by 4. What is sin square x? Formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx. I think 2 to get cancels. Integrate that. Integration of 1 is x. Cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. So limits are from 0 to pi by 4. Upper limit minus lower limit. So tell me upper limit. What is x? Pi by 4 minus sin 2 into what is x? Pi by 4. So what divided by what? 2. Carefully write. This 2, it is all divided by 2. Some students they mistake and go for cancelling these 2's. No, it is not true. This is all divided by 2. Sin 2x by 2. Correct? Upper limit minus lower limit. So lower limit x is 0. How much is x? 0. Minus sin. What is x? 0. Sin 0? 0. 0 by anything is 0. 0. 0. Minus 0. It is 0. So 2 2s are sin 90. Tell me answer. Pi by 4 minus, tell me sin 90 value 1. Sin 91 by 2. So answer is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is about your Young's value problem. Let us solve same property once again, right? So prove that. Next question. So next question is, so prove that so minus a to a fx dx is equal to twice 0 to a fx dx if fx is even and 0 if fx is odd odd. Hence evaluate. Hence evaluate. Hence evaluate. You solve one more question, students. Hence evaluate minus 1 to 1. So minus 1 to 1 sin power 5x. Sin power 5x cos power 4x into dx. Hence evaluate, right? Clearly sin power 5x even function or odd function? Odd. This is even. Odd into even? Odd. It must be 0, right? Go for proving property. You know how to prove that property. You know how to prove that property. Solve that. So you take LHS. Tagodi LHS tagodi prove ಮಾಡಿ. So right. Solution. So you take the LHS. Minus a to a fx dx. As usual, you split that into two integrals. You split that into two integrals. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು minus a fx dx plus in that second integral you take upper limit as plus a. Second integral ಅಲ್ಲಿ upper limit a fx dx. Now you fill this gap. Fill this gap. So by which number this gap has to be filled? Means a number which lies between minus a and plus a. You choose a number which lies between minus a and plus a and fill that 0. 0. This is 0. So maintain this integral till the end as it is. ಈ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ನ ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ put x is equal to minus t. So put x is equal to minus t. Differentiate that. So dx equals minus dt. Put a method means changing limits required. Put means you should change the limits. You should not forget to change the limits. Change ಮಾಡಿ x 0. 0 equals minus t. So this implies t equals 0. Next lower limit. Minus a equals minus t. Minus minus plus. So t equals a. So right. Now therefore, so minus a to a fx dx is equal to, so change the limits. 0. So we have 0 only for that 0. 0. In the place of minus a is becoming a. F of what is x? Minus t into dx means minus dt plus, so 0 to a fx dx. So 0 to a fx dx, right? Now two things can be applied. Two properties can be applied for this first integral. So right, ಎರಡು property apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If I go for interchanging the limits, I should add on extra minus into minus plus. At the same time, you change t by x. t ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ minus a to a fx dx is equal to minus into minus plus 0 to a f of minus x into dx plus 0 to a fx into dx. Now you follow, so according to question. So from that question, what that question tells us is, by assuming fx as even function, you prove that first half. By assuming fx as odd function, you go for proving second half. Proving first half means getting twice 0 to a. Proving second half means getting 0. You do that. Let us assume. So let fx equals, let fx be even. This implies ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಇವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬರೋದದು. ಇವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ minus a to a, so fx dx, so is equal to, so write 0 to a, what is f of minus x? Fx, so fx into dx plus 0 to a, fx dx, 1 plus 1, 2, so twice 0 to a, fx dx, proved, we got that. By assuming fx as even function, we proved that first step. Now you assume fx as what? Odd function. Fx an odd anta andukolli. So let fx be odd. So let fx be odd. Let fx be odd. So right, you take fx as odd. So this implies, so f of minus x is equal to what? F of minus x is equal to minus fx. Substitute this in that question. Substitute this in that. So this implies, so minus a to a fx dx is equal to, so 0 to a. 0 to a. What is f of minus x? Minus fx. Right, minus outside. Minus fx into dx plus 7. 0 to a. So fx into dx. So these two get cancels. Right. So we are getting what? 0. 0. So we are getting this one as 0. Proving property over. Now let's think of solving a problem. So tell me the problem. Minus 1 to 1 sin power 5x into dx. Clearly, is it even or odd? Odd function. Fx is equal to sin power 5x into cos power 4x is what? Odd function. Odd function is odd function. Is odd function because it is just like odd function into even function. What is odd into even? Odd. This implies, so directly write minus 1 to 1 sin power 5x cos power 4x into dx. What is the value of this? 0. For writing this one, you will get 1 mark. For getting answer, 1 more mark. I hope you understood. I hope you learned how to prove property. And let us explain only nth valued problems. ಬರೀ nth valued problems ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರೈಟ್, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ nth valued problems evaluate the following. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 2 ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬೇಡ. ಬರೀ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಅವ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. So evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. First one is minus pi by 2 to, so pi by 2 sin square x into dx. Solution. Solve that. Solution. Fx equals sin square x. You decide, is this sin square x even function or odd function? Even function, because we have even power. Deciding that is easy. x ಗೆ minus x ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ minus square means minus into minus plus is even function is so even function is even function, therefore this implies minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx minus a to a can be written as twice 0 to a twice 0 to a 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx sin square x formula use formula so twice so yes 0 to pi by 2 what is sin square x 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx tell me sin square x formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2 so 2 to get cancels integrate now you go for integrating. So integration of 1 is x minus integration of cos 2x sin 2x by 2. So limits are from 0 to pi by 2. So limits are from 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. You apply upper limit minus lower limit. So now so upper limit, so tell me upper limit, so pi by 2 minus sin, so 2 into pi by 2, or divided by 2, minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit, what is x? 0, so 0 minus x 0, sin 0, 0, 0 by everything is 0, 2 to get cancels. It is pi by 2 sin pi. How much is sin 0? 0. Sin pi is also 0. 0 by everything is 0. So tell me answer pi by 2. I hope you understood. Let's go for one more question. So next question is minus pi by 2 to so pi by 2 sin power 7x into dx sin power 7x into dx solve that solution. So let fx equals sin power 7x. Even function or odd function? It is odd function. So is odd function. So odd function is what is the value of that? 0. So that implies minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin power 7x into dx must be 0. Now let us solve one more question. So next question is minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to plus 1 x power 17 into cos power 4x into dx. X power 17 into cos power 4x into dx. Is it even or odd, students? Odd. Because if x power 17 odd, cos power 4 even, odd into even odd. It is just like minus into plus. Solution. So let fx equals x power 17 cos power 4x is odd function. Odd function. So it is odd function. So this implies minus 1 to 1 x power 17 cos power 4x into dx is equal to 0. I hope you understood, students. So this is about problems, evaluate problems on this property. So okay, students. So okay, we shall stop this class, students. Students, let's move on to proving next property. So to prove that a to b fx dx is equal to a to c fx dx plus c to b fx dx. So where c is a number lies between a and b, less than, this is less than, a is less than c, correct nodi, mistake ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, a is less than c, less than b. That means c is a number should lie between a and b. c ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ, a ಮಧ್ಯೆ. Don't mistake. Some students will mistake, sir, you don't know alphabets, sir, so you count alphabets A, B, C. C comes after A and B, no sir. So that C comes in between. Don't mistake. In that sense I am not talking about. That is not the sense I am talking about. Right? ಆ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ C ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, A and B. C is a number lies between A and B. Hence evaluate. So hence evaluate. So right. Hence evaluate. So minus 5 to plus 5 mod x plus 2 into dx. Mod x plus 2 into dx. Okay students, I explain full. Proving this property is so easy. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ 1 to 3 fx dx ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 to 2 fx dx ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ 2 to 3 fx dx. ಸೊ 1 to 10 fx dx ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 1 to 2 fx dx ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸೊ 2 to 10 ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ 2 to 3 fx dx ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ 3 to 4 ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 10 ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. It is left to your choice. You can split the given integral into sum of any number. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Look at this. So 2 2 3 3. All these numbers should lie between what? 1 and 10. 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು. ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 to 10. A given definite integral can be splitted into sum of more. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. What is this property called? Splitting property. This property is called as splitting property. This property is called as a splitting property. Now I go for proving this. Proving this property is so easy. So let us go for that. You take, let us as usual, let us assume solution. Let us assume integration of small fx is as capital Fx ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You need not to use capital Fx always. You can go for other symbols also. Other symbols means except small f. Small f ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ LHS. What is LHS? So A to B fx dx. So tell me students, integration of small fx is capital Fx. So that is A to B. So right. Upper limit minus lower limit, FB minus FA. Upper limit minus lower limit, FB minus FA. Now you take RHS. So RHS. So what is that RHS is? A to C fx dx plus C into b fx dx. Right. So how much is the integration of small fx? Capital Fx. That is what the assumption we made. So integration of small fx is what? Capital Fx. So limits are from what? A to c. Again, integration of small fx is capital Fx. After integration is completed, we go for applying limits. Small capital Fx. So limits are from. So I tell me limits c to b. So upper limit minus lower limit. Fc minus fa plus fb minus fc. I think fc get cancels. So you write positive term first. That is fb minus fa. You observe both LHS and RHS. Are they equal or not equal? Equal. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. They lose 1 mark. 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್. Right? I explain how to solve n-value problem in the next video. So thank you students. Thank you.